knowledge of providing unnecessary use of energy. हमारे पास जो unnecessary use of energy not understand the meaning of energy and we can create light energy for long different diagram like this. Okay, solar energy focus on this diagram. Good area of energy. That's just like so solar energy. Unit of generation only that single point will be known as.
Assalamualaikum. Class 7. Our today's topic is about human organ system. Number one, so we have to discuss the comparing breathing and burning. First of all, we have to recall what is breathing and burning. So breathing is a process through which we can take the air inside our body and then we have to give out air. And then burning is a process first we have to discuss about the similarities between the breathing and burning. Number one, during both process, energy is released from a fluid. First similarity between the breathing and burning is during both process, energy is released from a fuel. It means in both cases, either it is a breathing or a burning process, energy is released from the fuel. Whereas fuel, in breathing, the fuel for human, fuel is food or anything else. So point number two, both processes use oxygen and release carbon dioxide. And the second similarities in these are both processes use oxygen and release carbon dioxide. In breathing, when we inhale the air inside our body, then after some processes, we exhale the carbon dioxide. Whereas when in some fuels like burning of coal or petrol or anything else, when the coil or anything else is burned, then the oxygen present in the atmosphere will react with carbon in the fuel, and then it convert into the carbon dioxide. So second similarities between the breathing and burning is both processes use oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Next, we have to discuss about the difference between the breathing and burning process. The main difference is that difference between them is the rate at which they release energy. Okay, the main difference is that the rate at which they release energy. During breathing, release of energy is very slow than burning, and its rate can be controlled. We will what we have studied that during breathing, release of energy is very slow than burning. Okay, and its rate can be controlled. The rate of breathing can be controlled, whereas rate of burning sometimes can't be controlled. Okay. Now come to the next topic, common disease of respiratory system. First, we have to recall the respiratory system. If you remember, in the last lecture, we have discussed about the respiratory system, in which there are three parts of respiratory system: nose and throat, windpipe, and bronchi and lungs. Now we are going to discuss about the common disease of respiratory system. Some common disorders of respiratory systems are common cold, influenza, pneumonia, tuberculosis, and lung cancer. Some important disorders. What are some important disorders of respiratory systems? Some common disorders of respiratory systems are common cold, influenza, pneumonia, and tuberculosis and lung cancer. Here we discuss common cold and pneumonia. Common cold. What is the common cold? The common cold is a common disorder of respiratory system. Okay. What is that? The common cold is the common disorder of respiratory system. The virus of common cold can be spread from person by coughing, sneezing, or touching things of a common cold patient. कॉमन कोल्ड हमारे पास क्या चीज थी? सिंपली जिसे कहा जाता है आपको नजला जुकाम, हमारे जो आम जुबान में हम जिसको कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं इसको? नजला जुकाम वगैरह. ठीक है. द वायरस ऑफ कॉमन कोल्ड कैन बी स्प्रेड फ्रॉम पर्सन. हाउ इट कैन बी स्प्रेड? द वायरस ऑफ कॉमन कोल्ड कैन बी स्प्रेड फ्रॉम पर्सन बाय कफिंग, ठीक है, खांसने से, स्नीजिंग, छींकों से, और टचिंग थिंग्स ऑफ अ कॉमन कोल्ड पेशेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल, if any patient who are suffering from common cold touch the table, and the other person who are not suffering from a common cold also touch that table, then the germs can be transferred from table to men who are not suffering. Symptoms of common cold are sore throat, running nose, congestions, sneezing, headache, etc. Also, we may have fever during the common cold. Symptoms of common cold कौन से होंगे? Sore throat, running nose, congestion, sneezing, headache. Also, we may have fever during the common cold. बाज़ औक़ात हम लोग जो है नज़ले ज़ुकाम की वजह से बाज़ औक़ात हमारे क्या होता है कि बुखार भी हो सकता है. And the next thing, how to treat a common cold person? Treatment: there is no proper medicine for the common cold. Okay, always remember that there is no proper medicine for the common cold. However, you may observe the following measures: get lost of rest, drink plenty of liquids, and if symptoms persist, consult your doctors. Okay. There is no proper medicine for the common cold, but you have to take lots of rest, drink plenty of liquids, and if symptoms persist, अगर आपको ये मतलब कि ज्यादा हो रही है तो आप क्या करेंगे? कंसल्ट योर डॉक्टर. हमेशा डॉक्टर से आपको रिव्यू करना पड़ेगा. Next thing is pneumonia. Pneumonia is an infection that affects the lungs. Okay, what is pneumonia? Pneumonia is an infection that affects the lungs, जो आपके फेफड़ों को affect करता है, सबसे ज्यादा harm करता है. The lungs are made of small sacs called alveoli, which are filled with air. ठीक है, आपके जो लंग्स है वो किस चीज से बने होते हैं? स्मॉल सैक से, जिसको क्या कहते हैं हम? एल्विली, which are filled with air, जिसमें के एयर होती है. When a person has pneumonia, the alveoli are filled with the pus. जब आपका कोई भी बंदा जिसको निमोनिया होता है उसमें क्या होती है? ये आपके एल्वेली जो है वो आपके बीप से भर जाती है, which make breathing painful, due to which a person who are suffering from pneumonia cannot breathe easily. Pneumonia is the main cause of death in children worldwide. Okay, the point to be remember: pneumonia is the main cause of death in children worldwide. Symptoms: what are the symptoms? Common symptoms of pneumonia are cough, fever, nasal congestion, rapid breathing with wheezing sound, chest pain, and loss of appetite. Okay, what are the symptoms? Common symptoms of pneumonia are cough, fever, nasal congestion, rapid breathing with wheezing sound, chest pain, loss of appetite. ठीक है, मतलब इससे हमें भूख वगैरह भी कम लगती है, चेस्ट पेन वगैरह भी होती है, और रैपिड ब्रीथिंग विद व्हीजिंग साउंड, सांस लेने में आपको दुश्वारी के साथ साथ आवाजें भी सुनाई देती हैं. बुखार नॉर्मल इसमें आता है कि जिसमें आपको बुखार नॉर्मल से यहाँ पर मुराद है कि आपको अमूमन बुखार आपको ज्यादा होगा. Treatment: first, we have to visit your doctor as soon as possible to treat pneumonia. Your doctor may prescribe an antibiotic medicine. Vaccines are can also be used to prevent pneumonia. Okay, what we have first to do? First of all, we have to visit our doctor as soon as possible to treat pneumonia. Our doctor may prescribe an antibiotic medicine. ठीक है, एंटीबायोटिक मेडिसिन वगैरह भी वो हमें दे सकते हैं. Vaccines can also be used to prevent pneumonia. वैक्सीन के जरिए भी हम लोग निमोनिया से बच सकते हैं. And the other thing, wash your hands frequently to avoid germs. Wash your hands frequently to avoid germs. Use a tissue or handkerchief when you cough or sneeze. Okay. What are the main basic parts? Points: wash your hand frequently to avoid germs, and the number 2, use a tissue or handkerchief when you cough or sneeze. Here our first chapter has been completed. Now we have to start chapter number 2, transport in human and plants. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the transport system in human beings, structure and function of heart and blood vessels, working of circulatory system, and development that provide alternatives of dysfunctional body parts such as artificial tissues, organs, and human disorders in human transport system, and how they can be affected by diet. Okay. Also, we are going to discuss the absorption of water in plants through roots, and the structure of roots, stem, and leaves of a plant permit the movement of food, water, and gases. What are we going to discuss in this chapter? We are going to discuss in the transport system in humans. Next, the structure and functions of heart and blood vessels, working of circulatory system, development that provide alternative for dysfunctional body parts such as artificial tissues and organs, and their transplantation, some disorders in human transport system can be affected by diet, etc. Okay. Now first, the topic which we are going to discuss is human blood circulatory system. Our first topic is topic 2.1 is human blood circulatory system. Our circulatory system consists of three parts: heart, blood vessels, number 3, blood. Again, I will repeat it again: heart, blood vessels, and number 3 is blood. First, we are going to discuss the heart. The heart is a muscular organ about the size of our fist. Okay, heart is a muscular organ about the size of our fist, जिसका size हमारे क्या होगा, हमारी मुट्ठी के बराबर होगा. ठीक है. The heart is found in our chest. It pumps oxygen to our blood, named as deoxygenated blood. ठीक है. Deoxygenated deoxygen mean removal of oxygen. So deoxygenated blood means oxygen poor blood. Okay, that blood which have lack of oxygen to the lungs, and oxygen rich blood, oxygenated blood to the body. हमारे हार्ट का काम क्या होगा, वो खून जिसमें हमारे पास ऑक्सीजन की मिकदार बहुत ही कम हो जाएगी उसको हमारे फेफड़ों की तरफ, और वो ऑक्सीजन जिसमें वो ब्लड जिसमें ऑक्सीजन ज्यादा होगा उससे क्या करेगा, बॉडी की तरफ पंप आउट करेगा. ठीक है. और हार्ट इज अ मस्कुलर ऑर्गन अबाउट द साइज ऑफ आवर फिस्ट. द हार्ट इज फाउंड in our chest. It pumps oxygen, poor blood, deoxygenated blood. Again, what is deoxygenated blood? The blood which is which has lack of oxygen. Okay, so it pumps oxygen, poor blood, deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and oxygen rich blood, oxygenated blood to the body. That is the function of heart. Okay. Now there are 4 chambers in our heart. 2 upper chambers called atria and 2 lower chambers called ventricles. Again, I am going to describe you. There are 4 chambers in our heart. 2 upper chambers called atria, and 2 lower chambers called ventricles. Okay. Now, the ventricles of our heart are larger than atria. Both atria contract at the same time, and so the ventricles. Okay. Both atria contract at the same time, and so the ventricles. The blood passes from the atria into ventricles. There is a valve keep the blood flowing in one direction. There is valves which keep the blood flowing in one direction. Okay. Deoxygenated blood from the body enters the right atrium. क्या होगा, जो हमारे पास deoxygenated blood होगा वो हमारी बॉडी से इंटर होगा राइट आर्ट्रियम में, एंड ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड फ्रॉम द लंग्स इंटर द लेफ्ट आर्ट्रियम ऑफ आवर हार्ट. देन क्या होगा, ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड, वो ब्लड जिसमें ऑक्सीजन ज्यादा होगा वो क्या करेगा, लंग से इंटर होके इंटर द लेफ्ट आर्ट्रियम ऑफ आवर हार्ट, हमारे फेफड़ों से होता हुआ लेफ्ट आर्ट्रियम्स के जरिए हमारे दिल में दाखिल होगा. The right ventricle pushes the blood to the lungs and the left ventricle pushes the blood to the body. क्या होगा कि हमारा राइट वेंट्रिकल होगा वो ब्लड को पुश करेगा लंग्स की तरफ, लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल pushes the blood to the body. Here you can see some major parts of heart in this diagram. Here you can see the right atrium, right ventricle, and left atrium and left ventricle. Now remember this diagram and come to the topic again. What we have, two atrium and two ventricles. Okay. What is the function of atrium? The function of atrium is to take the deoxygenated blood from the body. Deoxygenated blood from the body enters the right atrium, and oxygenated blood from the lungs enter the left atrium. Okay. And what is the function of ventricle? The ventricle pushes the blood to the lungs, and the left ventricle pushes the blood to the body. So in other words, we can say from arteries the blood enter to the heart, or to our heart, and from ventricles the blood go out to the lungs and the body. Deoxygenated blood from the body enters the right atrium, and oxygenated blood from the lungs enters the left atrium of our heart. The right ventricle pushes the blood to the lungs, and the left ventricle pushes the blood to the body. Next topic, our next topic is blood vessels. The blood travels throughout the body through blood vessels. ठीक है, हमारे जिस्म में खून किस तरह एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाता है? Through vessels. There are three types of blood vessels: arteries, capillaries, and number third is vein. How many types of blood vessels? There are three types of blood vessels. Number one, arteries. Number two, capillaries. And the number three, veins. Inshallah, we will discuss all these things in our next topic. In next lecture. Now we are going to revise our topic, our today's topic. First of all, we have discussed about the common cold, similarities and difference between the breathing and burning. Here we discussed about the during the similarities, in which during the both processes energy is released from a fuel, and both processes use oxygen and release carbon dioxide. These are two similarities between the breathing and burning process, whereas the difference between them are during breathing, release of energy is very slow than burning, and its rate can be controlled. What is the difference between the burning and breathing process? The rate at which they release energy. During breathing, release of energy is very slow than burning, and its rate can be controlled. The next topic that we have discussed is the common disease of respiratory system. Some common disorders of respiratory systems are common cold, influenza, pneumonia, tuberculosis, and lung cancer. Here we will discuss only common cold and pneumonia. The common cold, the common cold is a common disorder of respiratory system. Okay, the virus of common cold can spread from person by coughing, sneezing, or touching things of a common cold patients. Now, then we have discussed about the symptoms. What are the main symptoms? Symptoms of common cold are sore throat, running nose, congestion, sneezing, headache, etc. Also, we may have fever during the common cold. So the treatment, you must have to remember that there is no proper medicine for the common cold, but we can observe the following measures like get lots of rest, drink plenty of liquids, and even if even symptoms persist, then we have to consult our doctor. Next, we discussed about the pneumonia. Pneumonia is the infection that affects the lungs. The lungs are made of small sacs called alveoli, which are filled with air. When a person has pneumonia, the alveoli are always filled with pus, which make breathing painful. ठीक है कि हमारे जो alveoli है उसमें नॉर्मली आम क्या होता है, आमतौर पर उसमें हवा होती है, मगर जब निमोनिया से एक इंसान सफर कर रहा होता है, मतलब कि उससे निमोनिया हो जाता है, तो उसमें क्या होता है, हवा के बजाय उसमें पीप पड़ जाती है, जिसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि वो सांस इजीली नहीं ले सकता. इसी same as pneumonia is the main cause of death in children worldwide. We must have to remember this point. Maybe come to the paper. Common symptoms of pneumonia are cough, fever, nasal congestion, rapid breathing, with wheezing sound, chest pain, and loss of appetite. These are some symptoms of pneumonia. Then we have discussed about the treatment, in which we learned about that we have to consult our doctor, and our doctor can be prescribed antibiotic medicines. Vaccine can also be used to prevent pneumonia, but we have to wash our hands frequently to avoid germs and use a tissue or handkerchief when we are coughing or sneezing. Next, then we have just started the chapter 2. Here we discuss about the human blood and circulatory system. Our circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels, and number 3, blood. And we discussed about the heart. What is heart? Heart is a muscular organ about the size of our fist. Okay, and the heart is found in the chest. What is the function of the heart? It pumps oxygen, poor blood, deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and oxygen-rich blood to the body. क्या करता है ये कि जो भी ऐसा खून हमारा वो खून जिसमें ऑक्सीजन कम रह जाता है, उसको वो क्या करता है, फेफड़ों की तरफ भेज देता है, और जिसमें ऑक्सीजन वो खून के वो हिस्सा जिसमें ऑक्सीजन ज्यादा होता है उसको क्या करता है, बॉडी की तरफ मूव करता है. And there are 4 chambers in our heart, 2 upper chambers called arteria and 2 lower chambers called ventricles. What is the main function of arteria? The function of arteria is that deoxygenated blood from the body enters the right atrium, and oxygenated blood from the lungs enter the left atrium of our heart. Whereas the function of ventricle is that the right ventricle pushes the blood to the lungs and the left ventricle pushes the blood to the body. मतलब हमारे पास जो आर्ट्रियम का काम क्या होगा कि जो भी डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड होगा हमारे जो बॉडी के अंदर, वो लेफ्ट साइड से राइट एट्रियम से हमारे हार्ट में एंटर होगा, और ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड जो है वो लेफ्ट आर्टियम और हार्ट फ्रॉम एंटर होगा, किससे, लेफ्ट आर्टियम ऑफ आवर हार्ट. द राइट वेंट्रिकल पुशेस द ब्लड टू द लंग्स, और राइट वेंट्रिकल का काम क्या होगा कि वो ब्लड को पुश करेगा लंग्स की तरफ, हमारे फेफड़ों की तरफ, एंड द लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल पुशेस द ब्लड टू द बॉडी, और लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल क्या करेगा, उसको ब्लड को बॉडी की तरफ पुश करेगा. ठीक है. Then we discussed about the blood vessels. The blood travel throughout the body through blood vessels. There are 3 types of blood vessels: arteries, capillaries, and veins. Inshallah, we will discuss all these things in our next lecture. So if you have any question, you can text me,
The next part is
I will inshallah reply you.
15. Okay. Okay. Tell me that which is the number which tell the number which is greater than 15. Okay. Tell me the number which is greater than 15. The number which is greater than 15 is 16, 17, 18, 19, and so on. Okay. 15, 16, and so on. Why? This is dot. This means that there is an infinity number. You can't count it. Why there is an infinity
So class,
number?
if you have
They don't tell
any
us
question
that
you can discuss.
You can add at this number. यानी उसने हमें नहीं बताया कि आपने नंबर कहाँ ऐड करना है. They only tell that you can start the number which is greater than 15. Okay. They only tell the number that which is greater than 15. So you can start the number with 50.
The main function of
Greater than 50.
ventricle is to push the blood out from our heart.
You can't count it. Okay, come to fourth part. Greater than 73 but less than 99. This sign show that greater than and this sign show that less than. Okay, don't forget this sign show that greater than and this sign show that less than. Okay, come to the part. Greater than the question is that greater than 73. Okay. Greater than 73. The number which is greater than 73 is
There are only 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers called atria and 2 lower chambers called ventricles.
Okay. So start the number greater than 74 because the percentage is that the number which is greater than 73 start with 74. Okay. Come. They said that the number which is less than 93. The number which is less than 99. Sorry, 99 is 98. So we start the number with 74 and end the number with 98. Okay. Any question? We got this lecture or previous lecture. Okay. Any question regarding this lecture?
With class, we will discuss the next topic, inshallah, on Wednesday. Until Allah Hafiz.